Okay, this video we're going to do Pensa and Lotus on this kind of rainy, wet day, and well, come right back and I'll show you all about it, tell you what the neighborhood is like, and all right. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we're at Pensa and Lotus. We're on this kind of black and white tiled street, and let's see, that's Praia Grande, and then this is Grand Lisboa right there. So there's some casinos here, Grand Lisboa and Lisboa. There's a lot of casinos over there, and this is a little pension house called Pensa and Lotus. Let's just kind of walk in and just kind of take a look a little bit. Welcome to, so I don't know how far we'll go up. Welcome to Macau, Pensa and Lotus, up. I don't think I'll go inside because you can definitely see it has one more floor. So pension houses are kind of like hostels, right? Just take a look real quick without going in. So we're not going to go in, but I could see prices, single beds. I think it said like 380, stuff like that. It's interesting because right now during the COVID era, you can get nice hotels for like 150, 180. Oh, did you hear that guy? He burped pretty loud. Okay. So let's just kind of take a look around here. So this would be the neighborhood that you would be in if you're at Pensa. And I think what we're going to do is kind of walk around the neighborhood just a tiny little bit. So that's the pension house. There's another pension house here, Hotel Familia Feliz. I'm just going to show that real quick. That's on that yellow building right there. So that's another little guest house kind of place. And kind of a rainy day, so I'm not going to explore too much. Maybe let's go a little bit further. But yeah, that's Grand Lisboa. So basically, if you're interested in a little pension house, there might be a lot less money, I think, online. I'm not really 100% sure. Let's just kind of sneak across real quick. So you'd also be kind of in this area as well. And let's see. Kind of cool apartments. That one right there, there's an artist right there that does this kind of stuff. He chips away at the paint of the building. He creates those kind of murals. So let's just kind of take a look. So kind of trying to stay out of the rain. There's that one right there. So he basically chips it away, and his artwork is all over the place. He's a Portuguese artist. So anyways, we're gonna end this one right here. Hope you like it.